Mazda 3 Dual System Android Screen Installation Tutorial. Loosen the central horn cover and remove it. Remove the two screws that secure the display screen. Remove the display screen. Remove the decorative block. Remove the two screws that secure the original car audio system. Remove the original car audio system. Remove the original car audio power plug. Product compatible power cord for plugging into the original car audio plug. Pull the adapter cable to the display screen position. Keyhole song, saddle decorative panel. Pull the coaxial audio cable from under the saddle to the display screen position. Restore saddle decoration block. Install the speaker in the center. Speaker position. Flat installation of GPS antenna. Plug in coaxial audio plug. Insert the original car LVDs into the Android screen interface. LVDs, power plug, docking. Plug in all plugs of the Android screen. The original car display screen power plug is empty and not needed. Finally, plug in the original car audio power plug. Restore and install the original car audio system. Android display screen. Android is located in the original car display screen position. Restore the fixed original car audio system. Fixed Android display screen. Restore decorative blocks. Plug in the horn plug. Restore the central cover plate. Insert coaxial USB into the original car USB interface. iPod connected display screen will show iPod Connect Select USB-O Android audio output to the original car amplifier. Click on Settings. Enter password 3368 and click OK to select the vehicle model protocol 6606 Mazda, all screen. Click on the vehicle information to select the original vehicle display resolution. Mazda 1280 by 480 M 400. Click on the original car application icon to enter the original car audio display. Select to install 360 or original rear view camera in the vehicle information. After installation, test the original vehicles, B button and control panel.